Hi everyone, my name is Asif Cash. I'm here at the Collision Repair Australian Automotive Expo 2024. Right now, we're here demonstrating our suite of wheel restoration equipment. We're part of the HPC group, which is a big Danish company. We are here as Australian, New Zealand and Australasian distributors. So right now, our hero product is a CNC diamond cut lathe machine. This is a fully automatic, industry-leading repair machine designed to repair your machine face diamond cut wheels. It has tire on, tire off technology. It's backed by Microsoft intelligence. It is literally designed to be operated by anyone, and you don't even need that CNC machining background as well. So if you want to check out how to generate new revenue streams, how to offset some of your expenses, you might be outsourcing this at the moment, come talk to us, because not only do we have the diamond cut machine, we've got a full spray bay, we've got a hydraulic straightener, we've got painting robotic machines, we've got universal spare wheels, we've got everything to do with wheels and other smart repair products. So I look forward to catching up with everyone and hope everyone has a good time here at the Expo.